Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silvana, and today's Thanksgiving. Yes, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. This video should be going up on Thanksgiving. I'm here for my second Christmas series for 2024, and I do have the last haul. I did pick up a few things from Ross that I want to share with you. I am going with a dominant color of red and gonna have touches of red throughout. So let me show you all the stuff that I bought at Ross, and then we'll do a little decorating on the breakfast table today. So without further ado, let's go. At Ross, first thing I picked up these really cute glass candle holders, and they hold tapered candles. I grabbed these glass vase. I could use them for a candle holder, I can use them for a vase, but I like, again, the beautiful red color, and these were $9.99, 10 bucks at Ross. I have two of these more candle holders, or you can use them for whatever you want to. I don't know, a little vase, candle holder, whatever. I grabbed this box of glass red ornaments. I think they are so beautiful. And even if I don't use them for this Christmas, I will add them to my Christmas collection and use them next year. But I saw them at Ross and I just grabbed them. They were at a good price. They were 18 bucks. So what the ornaments look like, they are so beautiful. They have some texture at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. These are what the ornaments look like. They are so beautiful. They do have some texture at the bottom, and it's a deep red. It's really pretty. Now, a really quick tip to elevate the look of your ornaments, you can just add some ribbon to it. And like this, I added this ribbon and it just elevated the look of the ornament. So really beautiful. Grabbed 2 boxes of these ornaments, another deep red. There you go. And these ornaments also have some texture to it. They are really pretty. I'm going to also add the ribbon to these ornaments as well. I picked up these red berries. These were at Ross. The red berries, they only had about 4 of them, so I grabbed all 4. And I'm just going to sprinkle them throughout the house with some greenery. Some candlesticks that I picked up at Amazon. I like the clear white color, and I have a lot of places to put these tapered candles. At Ross, I found this deer head, and this was an amazing find, y'all, because I have the larger one that I got from our house, and it was quite expensive, but I found these 2 smaller ones. I got 2. I got them at Ross, and I believe the price was $7.99. $7.99. The bigger one that I got at our house, that was like $200. So, and I think this size that they have at our house is probably like $79. So this is a really good deal. I'm glad I found it. Not everybody like this style, but I do. These are some tea lights that I got from CB2. I got it in a brown color, chocolate, and sort of an amber. So these are cute. I'm going to spread them throughout because it's going to be the colors of red, brown, like a goldish, and what other color? Maybe some black. Another great find at Ross, I got these 2 gold. This one is the large one, this is the smaller one, and these are from Ross, and they're just some Christmas trees. Really pretty in that gold color, a little bit of glam going on there. I also got some really cute decorative boxes to go under the tree. I do like to add them to the tree. It just looks so pretty. So I got about 3 different ones, and all of them have some red in it. Also got this one that says Merry Christmas. Really pretty. That's how it looks inside. And I grabbed this one. I love it too. It has all the Christmas colors. And these boxes, this one was $9. They're between the ranges of $7 to $9. Really nice. These are some ornaments I got last year. All the stuff I'm showing, like I said, I might not use everything, but I just want to share some of the stuff in case I do use it. I might use some of these ornaments in a bowl. I got this last year, and really beautiful. This one as well. These are some really beautiful ornaments, and I have them all in my collection. I believe I grabbed these last year, and these were at Hobby Lobby. Really, really pretty. Grabbed these last year, and I might put these in a bowl. These are also from Hobby Lobby. I grabbed this one last year as well. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful. And then this one as well. So these are all the ornaments that I have. I do have more. I have these stems that I had from since last year. I believe I got these at Target. I believe I got them at Target. But these have the pine cones on them. And then I did get these stems. I'm thinking I got these at Target last year. So I am going to incorporate these two. I grabbed these two last year. These are some stems. I'm not sure I got them. I'm thinking I got them from Michaels, but I'm going to use these somewhere. And these also from Michaels, some gold branches I might incorporate somewhere, but these are the pieces that I may use. These are really cute as well. These are from Hobby Lobby. I got these last year and I love these. I have a whole bunch, so these are really pretty. It's like this suede type of material. Really nice picks. These are some red flowers that I want to incorporate in my Christmas decoration, probably in the vase. And I thought they were pretty. Also grabbed this ornament. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Look how pretty this ornament is. Look how pretty this ornament is. It's so beautiful. Unfortunately, I only found one at Ross, but I did get it. It was $3.99. Trust me, I was looking for more. It is so, so beautiful. This was really cool. I found this at Ross. They are sacks. Like if you don't want to wrap a present, you can just throw it in here. And it has a tie. It has a tie right here that you can open up. And you could put the present in and then tie it back. I thought these were really, really nice. So y'all, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna decorate this right here, this breakfast table, and let's see how it turns out. Let's go. This is the first look. I incorporated some red, some greenery, and I did use the deer heads with the candlesticks. And this could be one look, but we're gonna change it up and do something a little different. Let's do something else. I'm using the same black vase. Now I would definitely have to work with this more to get it exactly how I want it, but I did want to add the red. If you can see some of the red in there, I did want to add some of the red and some of the green, but I will have to work with it a little bit more to get it exactly how I want it to look. So this will be look number 2, and I like having the vase not exactly in the center and some more decor on the other side. Of course, I can switch it up and put it so it's on either side of the vase, but I do like it like this. Like I said, I do have to play with it a little bit more, but this is the gist of what I'm going for with the red. I'm going to use these stems instead, these droopy looking stems. I'm going to try these on this look. And I'm going to go ahead and add the red flowers one more time to this look. Add my crystal candles instead of the red ones because I think it's a little too much red. So we're going to just keep the red in the vase, and we're going to add some more candle holders. And we're just going to spread them out randomly. So y'all, I think that's gonna be the look for now. Like I said, I do go back and I do layer and I get things together, you know, when I have more time to do it. It takes me a minute. It takes me a minute. I can't do it on camera. It's gonna take a minute for me to redo everything and probably get it exactly the way I want it. But I am liking how this is looking right now. So this may be the look. This may be the look. I may have to push back the, I'm not sure if the runner is exactly in the middle, but I think it's, if not, I'll fix it. Well, that's it for today. I am going to put up the Christmas tree, and we'll do that in the next videos. But comment below which look you like. But I think I like this one, y'all. What y'all think? The first one was nice too. So let me know which one you like. Tomorrow I'll put up the Christmas tree, like I said, and I'll record that. And that'll be number 3. So have a good one. Thank y'all. Bye. Thanks for watching.